On today's adventure of what it's like to be a mobile mechanic, we have been called out to this 2004 Chevy Tahoe. He wanted me to come out and diagnose one thing. He wanted me to figure out if his engine knocking, or is it, in his words, he called it a flex plate, which he means flywheel. A flex plate, that's if you have a manual transmission. If you have an automatic transmission, it's called a flywheel. So let's go hear it. I've already got it started. Tell me what you hear. Let's rev it up a little bit. Is it an engine lock? Is it the flywheel? Or is it actually something completely different? In the comments section, let's see your guesses, guys. You know me, always out here hustling. And like we always say, Semper Fi, till next time.